Welcome to my video, The Basics of Resell Rights Products, Making Money Online with PLR. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. When you have been online for any length of time, you will know what resell digital information products means. There are many business owners online that use this to help them make money. Resell rights are very popular on the internet. So what does it mean when I say resell digital information products? Resell or resell rights means that you have purchased a product and you have also purchased the right to sell that same product to your customers. When you get the resell rights, you will be able to keep 100% of the profits from what you do sell. When you buy these resell rights products, you are given permission to take the product by the owner and resell it to help you make money. However, you will not be able to change the product in any way. The way that you sell the product will depend on the terms of the transaction. With some resell right products, you will be allowed to sell the product to other people, but you can't sell them the resell rights so that they can turn around and sell that same product. There are resell rights products that you can get where you can not only sell the product, but you can also sell the resell rights along with it. This will mean that anyone that buys the product and resell rights from you will be able to then sell this product to their customers. You can make good money when you use resell rights products if you find the right product. You want to make sure that you get a product that your customers eagerly want to get their hands on. Before you buy any resell rights product, you want to make sure that you do some research to find out what exactly it is that your customers want. That way you will have a much easier time finding the right product and then selling it for a profit. Usually when you hear about resell digital information products, you will hear about them in the form of an ebook, software, CD or other digital items. One good thing about resell rights products is that you will not have to have a storage space for them, since most of these products are in the form of information that can be downloaded online. When you are looking for resell rights products that you can use with your business, you will be able to find ones that have been written about every topic you can imagine. It is important that you get one that has to do with your business. It is also important to learn what your customers want and then provide it for them. You can do this by putting a survey on your website, setting up your own forum, or even setting up a frequently asked questions (FAQ) section on your website. You can also get involved in forums and find out what other people are asking about. You will also want to make sure that you read the FAQ section of whatever forum you join. By doing these few things, you will definitely have a much better chance of finding out what people want. Then you can go out and find the product for them. You need to remember that there will be other people who are using the same resell digital information products that you are. So you will want to come up with a unique way of getting your customers' attention so that they will be more likely to buy from you over the other people out there who are selling that product. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.